Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into my 1-week experience with the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. I know you're eager to find out if this phone lives up to the hype, so let's get into it. Now before we start singing praises, let's talk about the elephant in the room. When you're thinking about shelling out your hard-earned cash on a new smartphone, there's always that nagging voice asking, is this worth it? Maybe you're worried about the price tag, or perhaps you're concerned about the battery life, or if the camera can really deliver those Instagram-worthy shots. We've all been there, right? Plus, with so many options on the market, it's tough to know if the Pixel 9 Pro XL is the right choice. So let's break down those concerns and see if this phone can stand tall against the competition. Alright, let's dive deeper into what makes the Pixel 9 Pro XL tick. First up, performance. This phone is powered by the latest Google Tensor G3 chip. And let me tell you, it's a beast. Multitasking feels super smooth. I could switch between heavy apps without any lag. Now, onto the camera. Wow! The 50-megapixel main sensor captures incredible detail, and the low-light performance? Absolutely remarkable. I took it out during a night event, and the photos were bright and clear without that pesky noise. Then, there's the battery life. Google claims up to 48 hours, and I have to admit, I was skeptical. But after a week of heavy-use social media, gaming, and video calls, I was still getting through the day with juice to spare. Lastly, let's talk about the user interface. The Pixel experience is clean and intuitive, with all the goodies from Android that make it super user-friendly. So, after a week of testing, here's my big revelation. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL not only lives up to the hype, it exceeds it. I was genuinely surprised at how well it handled everything I threw at it. From the camera quality that made my friends jealous to the impressive battery life that kept me connected, this phone has been a game changer for me. If you're looking for a reliable and powerful smartphone, this might just be it. To wrap things up, after 1 week with the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, I can confidently say it has some major strengths: outstanding camera quality, impressive performance, and solid battery life. But like any phone, it has its downsides, like its price point, which might not be for everyone. Overall, if you're in the market for a new smartphone, this one is definitely worth considering. So what do you think? Are you ready to make the leap to the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, or do you have your eyes on something else? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more tech insights, check out my previous smartphone reviews. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Catch you in the next video.